How is the market reacting to the news about Aroma Ote's reinstatement?
Yeah, morning to you, Wale. As at now, the market is running bid on 0.2%, you know. I think the fact that the restatement has been announced as probably is going to take a while before the market begins to react to it. But by and large, the market is on the is still running northwards, and we expect that this trend is likely going to continue before the end of the week.
All right, it's interesting the trend we're seeing. I mean, I just checked. The market is up 11 out of the last 12 sessions. We haven't seen a streak like this in a very, very long time. How far can it go in your view?
Right, you're right, Wally, on that. Basically, we should appreciate the fact that what is actually driving the market is, simply the fact that these stocks are coming out with, very strong results. You agree with the fact that UBA H1 result, it's actually, still the talk of the market. The market is still expecting what Zenith Bank is going to do, and by their track record, Zenith Bank has always been a performer. The same goes for First Bank. We tend to think that except for some other, monetary policy, decisions or directive, the market is expected to really outperform its current position of about 7.4 trillion, which is year to date one of the highest we've had in recent time. I think the market has a lot of capacity, has a lot of depth. What we need is government support, through policy directive and pronouncement. I think we have good markets going for us, and given the fact that these stocks are really churning out with very good results.
All right, let's quickly touch on a few stocks. Cornell reported numbers yesterday. How is the market reacting to this? We saw a move up yesterday, and clearly there's a lot of news around subsidies and the oil marketing companies, but clearly the market has reacted positively yesterday. What's the trend today?
Yeah, the market is still, riding on the trend of yesterday's closure. Cornell is still on a very strong bid of close to about 2.2 million units, and of course, investors are cautious on selling the stocks. You cannot sell what is good. You just hold on to it and take some, appreciation down the line. As of today, the price is at 23.65, and I think people are similar to the stock. Cornell has been a very slow, steady brand. The promoters have been very knowledgeable in their line of business. They've had customers come out with different line of innovative services and products. The result, actually, it's a very remarkable one. With 175 billion naira turnover, from a figure of 102 billion the previous year. With a PAT of about 2.9 billion. I think that is a very remarkable and impressive result. We only know that the market, the stock is going to go places. It's going to appreciate further down the line. But the unfortunate thing, so to speak, is the fact that the closure date is so very close. So we
that's for the dividend.
Yeah, for the dividend payments, yes, of 250 kobo. And this is against the background of the fact that only last year they actually paid a 50 kobo dividend. So this is clearly a marked improvement from the previous year result. And I think if you look at Owando, corn oil has not really been part of so much of the oil subsidy subsidy probe and order. It's a good brand, it's a good product, good line of business, and they are doing fantastically good. They are outstanding as we speak. It's pretty low, well below 700 million units. I think corn oil is a brand, and the share price is expected to go further up.
So which other companies though are exciting you right now? Clearly it's earnings season. We still have quite a number of results to get through. But which stocks do you think we should be watching now?
Yeah, one of the top stocks you have to, the market is actually waiting is First Bank. First Bank, their Q1 results were so fantastic with a 24 billion, PAT Q1 results, an outstanding share of about 33 billion. If you analyze these results, you come up to about 290 kobo. I'll tell you by all standards, by all stroke of imagination, this is, clearly a market boosting performance. Related to that as well is the fact that Zenith Bank, it's really a strong brand, good results showing, good Q1 results, good brand and all that. I think by and large, we expect to see good results, moving forward on the H1 results, And I think further down the line is the fact that UB has not really realized its full potential in terms of where it should be. I think down the week, profit takers actually came in, this is a stock that actually traded well below 2.20 kobo, down a couple of months line. Now, as we speak, is on 4.75 kobo.
All right.
By all standards is a very remarkable result. And
okay, so UBA and First Bank are stocks to watch. Thanks so much,
Yeah,
Baba. We have to
clearly,
end it there.
clearly.
Thank you so much for your thoughts there. Baba Ibrahim, MD of Mainstreet Bank Securities.